Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the other trigonometry function. Okay, so now let's talk about what have we learned so far. If we have a unit circle and given the angle is in the unit circle T, this is our x and y, the diameter is equal to 1. That's how we define unit circle. Our sine t is equal to the value y, cosine t equals to x, and then tangent t is equal to y over x, which is sine over cosine. And then we have our secant, cosecant, and the cotangent. So secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So if it's a reciprocal, by definition, it's equal to 1 over cosine t, which is 1 over x, similar to cosecant. Cosecant t is the reciprocal of sine, so that means the value of cosecant t is equal to 1 over y. And the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is equal to x over y. You flip it. So in this case, you don't need to memorize what is cosecant, secant, and cotangent. All you need to memorize is sine, cosine, tangent. And then cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, and then secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal, which means you flip it. Now, here is an example. If we have a circle, and here is our, theta, let's say this is square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. This is our theta. So our sine theta is equal to y. What's our y value? Our y value is 1/2. If we know sine theta, that means we will know the reciprocal of sine theta, which is our cosecant theta, which is the reciprocal is 2. And then we have cosine theta, which is square root of 3 over 2. Then the reciprocal, which is secant theta, is the flip, which is 2 over square root of 3. In here, I want you to rationalize the denominator by, what does that mean, rationalize? Rationalize means I don't want to see the square root in the denominator. That means you need to multiply the square root of 3 on both sides. So you will get 2 times square root of 3. In the bottom, you will get 3. That's how you rationalize the square root, the radical function. Okay, tangent theta is equal to y over x, which is 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2, which is 1 over square root of 3. So rationalize it is equal to square root of 3 over 3. Then we have our cotangent. Cotangent theta is equal to the reciprocal of tangent theta, which is, you can reciprocal this one, because when you reciprocal them, you will get square root of 3. So that's all the trig function. Now, let's have another example. If I have sine 14.5 degree equal to square root of 2, and the cosine 14.5 degree equals to square root 2 over 2, and I want you to find tangent 45 degree. Cosecant 45 degree. How do we do that? Well, tangent 45 degree is equal to sine 45 degree over cosine 45 degree, which means in this case it's square root of 2 over 2 over square root 2 of over 2, which is equal to 1. And the cosecant 45 degree is equal to, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so that means we need to flip the sign, so I have a 2 over square root of 2. Again, I want you to rationalize the denominator, which means you need to times square root of 2 on both sides. Then we got 2 times square root of 2